Good morning, mighty owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Tuesday, October 20th, 2020. It's a bee day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for our owl pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my owl pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDEA South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here are some things that happened yesterday. Yesterday, I heard that there were some amazing scholars who became royal readers. Those scholars were Natasha Rodriguez, Michaela Rodriguez, Victor Rodriguez. Nice job, scholars. What an amazing job. Now we have 4 royal readers. This Friday is our royal reader virtual celebration. So you have just a couple more days to become a royal reader. So do your best and see what you can come and be able to do by then. Last but not least, lots of scholars are working hard to make sure that their grades are up and running. So don't forget, parents, this Thursday is report card night. You can go on to Power School and get your report card. If you don't know where that is, please reach out to your homeroom teacher. Have a great day. It's a great day to learn. Hoot, hoot!